Unong tawaan ka BJP u alhek ulapan pau ya ka jinget ka baskham baka party kan le bahaya kani ka election banwan siya ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kabalabu banlong hakash pautrik uyayong. Habakren siya kilat patay kubor uhek uloong baka party ka kami lenti banyo ya ka jengjob ki baklan hakani ka election council.
Party point of view, we are also discussing this to set up the candidate for the by-election, for the MP by-election optional seats.
So do you have candidate for?
We have candidates, so many candidates are there.
So many candidates.
Yeah, so many candidates are there, but now we have not decided. We have not decided to fill for the contesting for this by-election.
So by when the party is likely to
Very,
take
very soon. We will see. We will already been informed to the respected president also of BJP Meghalaya to call the meeting to discuss about this by-election.